In today's video, we are looking at gold and the potentials that we have this week to make some decent amount of money. So if you're new to my channel, this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading and make it easier even for newbies to make money from the market. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. Also, I would like to inform you of my Mobile Trading Accelerator course, which I'll be releasing in a few weeks time, and this course details my price action FSD strategy which I use to make money from the Forex market. This is a simplified strategy that anyone can use to make consistent profits from the Forex market, and presently I'm running a massive discount offer which is about 80% of the cost price of the course. So I encourage you to enroll right away. Check the link in the description box to enroll in the course before the offer closes. So without further ado, let's look at the chart and see what we have. Here is gold on 1 hour time frame chart, and we see the market moving within this channel. Okay, here is the channel. Gold started from the bottom of the channel here to the top of the channel at this point. From the top of the channel, we saw gold come down to the bottom of the channel again. Like I always tell us that the market lost moving in symmetry. Price continued to the top of this ascending channel right here, and we saw what looks like a breakout, but that breakout finally turned out to be a fake out. And you know that a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. So this was an upside fake out which led price down to the bottom of this very channel, filling up all the imbalances that are here, because since the market took off from this point, price never returned and we had lots of imbalances here and also liquidity below this low. So price has just filled up the imbalance, and that was why we saw price break below the ascending channel. But now we're seeing what seemed to be a fake out, which is what I want to emphasize on. You see, these are part of the things I reveal in this course, in my Mobile Trading Accelerator course, because in that course you learn how to identify areas of liquidity, areas of imbalances, and you learn how to identify fake out, both upside fake out and downside fake out. That course is something you will not like to miss, so ensure you enroll in that course. It will be a game changer for your trading. Now we're also seeing another descending channel right here which I'm tracking, so we want to now look at what is happening just right there. Okay, now the channel was connecting these very lows, okay, these lower lows and these highs. Okay, part of what you learn from this course is also how to draw channels very accurately. When we saw price come down below the descending channel low, we saw price reclaim it, telling us that this was a downside fake out for this very descending channel. I was also looking for price to reclaim this very channel low, and we can see that price just reclaimed it. So now this whole move right here is a fake out. Okay, so this is a downside fake out, and a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. So first, this fake out of this very descending channel certainly is going to lead price back up to the top of this very channel. Also, we have imbalance right here after this candle break, so we had an imbalance here. So this very fake out for this very ascending channel will lead price back up to the top of this very channel, all things being equal. However, there is going to be some resistance to gold at this very point, because this is also the top of a bigger channel. So long opportunities from this very point to the 390 area, with your stop loss just below this very 320 area. If we break above this very channel top, then we'll be heading to the top of this very channel, but we have to take it one step at a time. So that is exactly what I'm expecting from gold. So you need to understand how the market works. If you're able to identify imbalances and liquidity in the market, draw your channels, identifying your key levels, these are the things that will help you in trading price action like a pro. And these are the things that I have detailed out out in my course. This course is worth over $8,999, but I'm just giving it out at a very discount rate. And I tell you, you will not regret taking that course, because that course will make a difference in your trading. It will change your whole perspective about trading and how to identify imbalances, liquidity zones, and know how the market makers manipulate the market. That will help you to trade confidently as a trader. So I wish you the best of trading this very week. See you in my next video.